Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that the AI doesn't like. I want to talk to you about your freedom sticks, your pew-pews, whatever you want to call them, your cordless long-distance hole punchers. So what I want to talk to you about them is keeping them clean and having all the supplies you need to properly care for these items. You'd have the solvents, the different types of wire brushes for cleaning out the bores and stuff, and cleaning out all the little parts, little wire brushes, brass brushes, there's a whole bunch of little things you need to properly clean these tools. And they are tools. Just like a hammer or a saw, they can be misused or they can be used properly and do you great good. But only if they're properly cleaned and maintained. So make sure you have all the supplies you need to properly clean and maintain these special tools. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. Plant an indoor or outdoor garden, or both. Do both. Plant an indoor and outdoor garden. Raise more food. Because you don't want to buy the food at the grocery store in the fresh vegetable section, because that stuff's sprayed with all sorts of chemicals and crap. And you really don't want to know what's on there. You want healthy food.